Emerging technologies and the potential for disrupting traditional entrepreneurial models. Thoughts of Arturo Alvarez de Malde. In the fast-changing world of entrepreneurship, emerging technologies are revolutionizing business operations. These cutting-edge technologies can disrupt traditional business models and open doors for innovation and growth. Fabio Lanzieri examines a few of these emerging technologies and discusses how they are reshaping the entrepreneurial landscape. For instance, AI-driven chatbots can help businesses engage with customers 24/7, while AI algorithms can analyze data to identify market trends and customer preferences. Entrepreneurs can use blockchain to create trust in their business dealings, especially in industries like finance and supply chain management. It eliminates the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and cost-effective. AR and VR technologies are changing the way entrepreneurs interact with customers. Entrepreneurs in the real estate, gaming, and education sectors are leveraging AR and VR to create engaging customer experiences and gain a competitive edge. Robotic process automation, RPA. Clean energy technologies like solar panels and wind turbines are revolutionizing the energy sector. Entrepreneurs in this space are not only contributing to a sustainable future, they are also creating business opportunities in renewable energy production and distribution. Entrepreneurs are using biotechnology to develop new medicines, genetically modified crops, and innovative food products. Now that we've examined some exciting emerging technologies, let's explore how they can disrupt traditional entrepreneurial models. Many of these technologies, such as AI, blockchain, and 3D printing, can significantly reduce operational costs. This is especially useful for small and medium-sized businesses. Emerging technologies enable entrepreneurs to reach a global audience through the internet and e-commerce. This expanded market reach allows businesses to scale rapidly and tap into new customer segments. AR, VR, and IoT technologies can create immersive and personalized customer experiences. Entrepreneurs are adapting their business models to integrate these technologies. This shift offers flexibility and cost savings to both entrepreneurs and consumers. For example, ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft have disrupted the taxi industry by leveraging mobile apps and GPS technology. Entrepreneurs identifying these opportunities can capitalize on the changes and become new market leaders. Entrepreneurs who embrace and adapt to these technological advancements will be better positioned to thrive in the ever-evolving entrepreneurial landscape.